In this video, we'll go into the depths of data pre-processing and specifically data cleaning. So the first thing in data cleaning, as you can see in this image, is missing data. So missing data is some data which I don't have. Suppose I have an Excel sheet and there I don't really know what a particular value is missing. Okay, so how will I deal with it? The best way to deal with it is to ignore the value or to fill the value. Let's understand this better with our favorite example, vada pav. Vada pav, the Indian burger. Okay. So what I can do is, suppose I have a potato which is used in vada pav. It is rotten. The best way what I can do is I can just throw away that potato. But suppose only a piece of that potato is rotten. I can use the rest of it. So another method which I have is I can cut the potato in such a way that the rotten piece is expelled and the better piece is kept to us, and we can use that in a vada pav even in that case. Okay, so that is to fill the values manually. Okay, as you can see, I am manually cutting the potato in such a way that I can use the part which is not rotten. So that is how we deal with missing data as well in our life. Okay, so that is a bit about missing data. Next time we'll discuss about noisy data. So stay tuned with us, like the video, comment the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.